Hello friends, welcome to Club Craft Area. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet a purse using star stitch or jasmine stitch. For this, we need yarn and crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. Chain 1. In this chain, we are going to do a puff. So for that, extend the yarn to a desired length, yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through and extend to that length. We have to do 4 times. Yarn over, insert into the loop and pull through. Yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. Yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. So thereafter you have to insert the finger in middle of the yarn, yarn over the top of the thread and pull through these all the loops. Insert the hook in this loop, remove the finger, tighten the yarn and yarn over, insert into the first loop. You'll have again 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the next 2 loops. Chain 1. This is one puff stitch. So for next puff, increase the length of the yarn to desired length, yarn over. You have to do it in this hole. Insert in this loop, pull through and pull it to the desired length. And you have to do this 4 times. 1, insert into the loop, pull through, pull to the desired length. 2. Insert into the loop, pull through the desired length. 3. Yarn over, pull through to the desired length. Insert the finger, yarn over, pull through all these loops. Insert the hook in this loop, remove the finger, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull through the first loop. You will have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Second puff. Chain 1. So you have to pull to the desired length, yarn over, insert into this hole, pull through the desired length. You have to do 4 times. 1, 2, yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. 3, yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. 4. And you have to keep the finger in the middle, yarn over, pull through all these loops, insert the loop, insert the hook in the loop, remove the finger, pull the yarn, yarn over, pull through the first loop. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, next 2 loops. So I have done 4. You can do to the desired length of the purse you want. I have done 18 puffs. So for next row, we have to do 3 puffs. 1 in this hole, 1 in this hole and 1 in this hole. You have to make 3 puffs and you have to join both 3 puffs together. So yarn over, insert in the loop, pull through. 1, yarn over, insert in the loop, pull through. 2, yarn over, insert in the loop, pull through. 3, yarn over, insert into the loop, pull. 4. And for the next, you have to have all these things in the hook. In this hole, again 4 times you have to do the same thing. Yarn over, insert into the loop and pull through. Yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. Yarn over, insert into the loop, pull through. Yarn over, insert into the loop. So 4 times. In the same way, here also you have to do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times we have done. Same way how we joined for the single puff, you have to join all these 3 puffs together. Insert the finger in the middle, yarn over, pull through all these 3 puff and insert the hook in this loop. Remove the finger, tighten the thread and yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Chain 1. For next one, 1 puff here, 1 puff in this hole, another puff in this hole. So yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through, 2 times, yarn over, insert, pull through, 3, yarn over, pull through, 4. Next one in this hole, yarn over, insert, 4 times you have to do, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one in this hole, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have to join all these 3 puffs together. Insert the finger, yarn over and pull through all these 3 loops. All these 3 puff. Insert the hook, remove the finger, tighten the thread, yarn over into the first 2 loops, yarn over into the next 2 loops. Chain 1. Have to do like this till the last. So for this last one we will do 1 puff here, 1 puff here and 1 puff in this last loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one in this hole. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So for the next row, chain 1, have to do a single puff in this hole. All the rows starting with a single puff. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for next you'll do 1 puff here, 1 puff here and the next puff here. So you will get a star. This is how you will get the star. Next one here, another one here. So you can see start. Likewise, you have to continue this row and to the desired height you want. After completing the stitch to the desired height, again we have to do a single crochet at all the borders. I have started by using a chain. In this we are going to put 2 single crochet. 1, 2. In corners we will put 4 single crochet, and in this puff we'll take this top loop. This will take the top loop and put a single crochet, and this hole we'll put 2 single crochet. 1, 2. In the puff we will take the top stitch and we'll put a single crochet. Next, in this hole we'll put 2 single crochet. In the puff we'll take the top loop and put a single crochet, and in the hole we'll put 2 single crochet. Likewise we will complete here. Here the corner will put 4 single crochet. In this corner we'll put 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how we did here. The corner will do 4 single crochet. In the puff stitch we'll take the top stitch and we'll do single crochet. In this hole we'll do 2 single crochet. In the puff stitch 1 single crochet, and in this hole 2 single crochet, and again in this corner 4 single crochet. Likewise we will end here with the slip stitch. Here we started with 2 single crochet. Since in the corner we will put 4, we will again put 2 more single crochet. 1, 2, and finish it off with the slip stitch. Insert into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through first one and pull through the second. So now all corners looks neat. Next we'll join this side and this side using single crochet. We'll fold the wrong side, do a single crochet here. After that we can flip this side inside. We'll insert in the second stitch and do a slip stitch. Then we will do in the same stitch we will do a single crochet. Likewise we'll take the first stitch here and the next stitch here and do a single crochet. First stitch here, next stitch here, do a single crochet. First stitch here, next stitch here, do a single crochet. We finish it till the last. Do a single crochet and snip off the yarn. One side we have finished. Same way we have to do the other side also. Join using a slip stitch, chain 1, and do a single crochet in the same space. Same way how we did the other side. Take the first loop here, the next loop here, and do a single crochet. I'm going to continue this till the last. And we will flip it inside. We'll turn the right side. So we'll have the sides like this. So now the purse looks like this. We will put one round of single crochet. Chain 1, single crochet in the same space, do single crochet. We will do single crochet round like this for 2 or 3 rounds. We are not going to finish this row using a slip knot. Of doing a slip knot, we will do a single crochet. So to know that you have starting the next row, you can use a stitch marker. We'll do a. So now you have started the second row. We are going to do single crochet. So you'll throughout these stitches are going to do a single crochet. So you'll do 2 more rounds. After completing the 2 rounds, you can finish it by doing a slip stitch. Slip chain 1. You can snip off the yarn. Now the purse is ready to put zip and lining. After fixing the zip and the lining, the purse looks like this. I also have given a inner zip.